Watch the ride.
Hey everybody, yeah, we still have the grass background. If you remember, the reason we have this is samples that got sent to me through my PO box because someone thought it would be funny. I uploaded the video explaining this, and then why am I surprised that this happened? One thing I will say, see my PO box here? My real address has not been written on this box in any way, shape or form. Yet, even though I specifically asked the people that I'm paying £300 and something a month to stop writing my address on stuff, they do it on every single thing. Royal Mail, I'm starting to get a bit peed off about this. What I will say is I'm going to open these up and I'm going to actually say what companies they are, because these unfortunate people have been, you know, they've spent money to have this sent out to me, and there's no chance of me ever going to buy something from them. So, yeah, but I'll also note that I'm never going to open samples and stuff on camera again after this video. So don't think like the other people did that, oh, we can do that. Don't bother. I'm not opening it on video. I don't mind people sending me funny stuff, but when it's someone else's money, you know, from their company, you know, they've paid money for these things, I feel a bit of a knob. Oh my god, what is this? Beautiful British handmade furniture. A teeny gift. Basically, they include a tea bag. Ooh. So these are samples of their sofa material, I assume. Well, it's all very nice. I'm very sorry that you went to the effort of having these made, and then they've been sent to me. Carpet samples from Online Carpets. Oh my god. If you picked these out, you have picked some of the horriblest colours I've ever seen. If that's an actual carpet combination, thanks for ordering our sample carpets. You have got purple pot art striped grey Loch Noble sectionary collection, pop art striped carpet, red alert noble Saxonry carpet, red alert noble Saxonry collection. Who is coming up with these names? In fact, what are the names on this stuff? Colour petal, colour whisper, colour fossil. It's not grey enough. Colour mallard. No, that's turquoise. Colour gunmetal. Kind of. Ah yes, look at these lovely colours you're now looking at. Then we have this from Tesco's. Mr. You Go There Enough Spicy. I get a feeling, yeah, this is a club card. I have a club card for Tesco's. Do you honestly think that I would be giving up on my Tesco's points? I get about 15 quid every time they send me things. Great. Mr. Y Spicy. It's actually printed. Thanks, Tesco's. Get something in this. Cheapgrass.co.uk. I'm just going to cover that bit up. This is going to be the thumbnail. I'm going to cover this bit up. Like, is this even legal? Clickbait. Oh look, great, more trees. Oh look, let's have a look at. Well, we can do a comparison. Actually, this box is probably going to be used to send a clock out or something. That's a really handy size. Oh well, let's compare this person's grasses, shall we? £10 per square metre, eh? Malibu. I have to say, the one thing that you have a lot of loose bits, a lot more than this company, and theirs is thicker. That's why they're cheap. You know, there's actual real names of different types of locker, different types of grasses. AstroTurf. What's this one? My God, this is the same stuff that my what was it? It was at school. It was the drama building. It was like this wooden hut they built, and then it had this carpet floor like this. If you slid on it, it burnt you so badly. Great. Last one. I don't know if this is a sample. I don't know where this is from. Maybe it'll be something interesting. Why do I get the feeling it's not going to be? What? Prevent X integrated diagnosis. What? What? What is this? It is estimated that around 13% of the 100,000 people living with HIV remain This is a HIV testing kit, isn't it? So what you do is you clean your finger with the alcohol wipe. Actually, yeah. Wash your hands, clean them thoroughly, then use twist and remove the tip of the safety lance, one of these things, same thing diabetics use. Prick your finger, dab it onto something and put it in here, and then you put that in there, and then you send it back. And then this test kit should only be completed by Spicy110, male, date of birth 1188. Ah, you're wrong. You're wrong. My birthday's actually on the 10th of December. It's not far away. Do not send me more stuff like this as like some birthday gift. And why is my camera fogged up a bit? It is very cold in here. The lens is condensated up a bit. It'll clear after I take it inside. Well, there we go. Thank you for more grass samples. Disgusting carpet samples. Some nice pieces of nice soft material. And a HIV testing kit. Thanks. I'm so glad that you care. I don't even drink fucking tea. The second I turn my camera on, they turn the vacuum on. I literally... Are you done? Another day, another letter. At least this can't be a sample. Well, I assume not. We're actually going to read it this time because I think the condensation... I didn't take the camera inside, so we're going to have a problem with this. But anyway, let's open it. Because, as I say, I don't think this is a sample for once. I know what... Will you shut your thing up? Hello Spicy, Christmas might not be your period of the year, so consider it a bonus. Most likely it will arrive too late anyways, knowing your postal service. No, actually, well in time. Next to this beautiful card you will find a measuring tool. We can all make noise! Next to this card you will find a measuring tool, Pro Bolt, that was so kind to send me two, and I used both during the rebuild of the Yamaha. Now one is more than enough for me, so I was thinking who might you find use for this. And I thought I would find useful. Also attached is my first sticker, different from all others attached. For inspiration. Greetings, manifesto. Right, Christ. Greetings, my festo. There, have I said it right for the first time ever? Thank you. Well, I know what this is. I've seen them. Basically, it helps you tell the size of a bolt and the pitch of the threads and all the different things. I do know what these are, and they are awesome, and I've wanted one for a while because the amount of times I've been like, oh, I need to find a bolt that's the same as this. Thank you. Really appreciate that. These are obviously QR codes. I have no idea what this is going to go to, so scan it at your own risk. So my Festo, please let it be right this time. It's very kind of you. Thank you very, very much. I really do appreciate that. That will be useful. And obviously, given the recent things through the PO box, including the tea I don't drink, it's greatly appreciated. Thank you. I have no idea what this video is going to be. I'm just recording stuff as it comes in. Because I was all intrigued and wanted to open it. And by the way, you are quite right, Christmas is not my time, but it is my birthday on the 10th of December, so let's count that as a birthday present. Thank you very much. Right, hold on, days have passed since I filmed the last bit. With the mystic times we see, more crap has arrived. Yeah, I actually need a rum to get through this now. In reality, a week has passed, and it's about 1:45 in the morning. But I wanted to get this video finished because I've just been editing it. I've had more stuff arrive. So let's just open it. Chesterfield. Pure Platinum Collection. Heavy paper stock. Dear Spicy 110, thank you very much for your inquiry. Enclosed, our brochure with a snippet of our exclusive sofa collection. To order online, just pick the one you blah 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 blah. This better be good, Chesterfield. Wow. Okay. Look at these. Leather. This is real leather. An animal has died for this. Oh, it's got a good smell to it though. Look at that. It's filthy. Look at the velvetiness. You are amazed by this technology that Chesterfield have. How do they do it? Got dust in my drink. Well, again, a complete waste, but these are actually... Now, tan leather. That's a question. Which is my favourite colour? This is Dale Winton. This is not. That's probably it. This is very nice, but it seems that the pile goes in different directions, because like, oh no, it's diagonal. Oh yes, very smooth, very nice. Maybe I'll give this to put underneath the F1 clock if anyone actually buys it. I guess no one cares about F1 anymore. Look at these wonderful sofas. These actually do look like nice sofas. I obviously have expensive taste. Very nice. Why would you possibly buy a new sofa which has been made to look old when you can probably pick up an old sofa for like 200 quid? Well, unless like the upcyclers have now made them at £5,000. Sofa.com. Dear Spicy, please find enclosed your Sofa.com fabric swatches. We hope they're what you're looking for. If you have any questions about our fabrics or products, or about ordering or delivery, please call our comfy team. Free taxi to our London showroom. It's worth it. Plenty of our customers order without saying the blah blah blah. If you want to come to blah 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 blah, we'll even put £10 towards your taxi. You offer me £10 for my taxi to London. A taxi to London's like 200 quid. Okay, it's not that much, but it's a lot. Just unboxing. Shh. Why are you shushing me? I'm not going to let them shushing me. Shh. We're going to let you into a little secret. We've been committing tax fraud for years. I will explain here. That was a joke. Sofa.com. They pay their taxes. They're good people. It was a joke. Oh my god, they've given me a pencil. The only useful thing out of everything. Oh, they sent me 2 pencils. Got a nice checked motif. These are very nice. This looks like old canvas. Oh, I suppose it's for sofas. It makes sense. If the camera can even pick this up. Yes, these are delightful. Yes, and a thing with a swivelly thing. Hello. Someone's been paid to design this. Hello. Experts in our craft. Fluent in design. Creative adventures. So for all of that plastic, those material swatches, the money on postage, the cost of the fuel going places, the dead animals from the leather. By the way, I'm not a vegan. I don't mind leather. I understand it comes from eating meat, and I eat meat, and I don't hide from that. Anyway, let's not go down that road. Yeah, for all of that, I got 2 pencils, which I'll actually use. So, Sofa.com, you win! Thanks very much! And Chesterfield, for this alone, you win. And for also smelling leather. I like the smell of leather, what can I say? So, as I said in the beginning of this video, about a week ago, when I started filming it and going through all this stuff, don't do this again. I won't be opening up a video. It is a waste of animals, it is a waste of fuel, it is a waste of everything, it is a waste. It also ruins my drink. Look, there is particles of carpet in here. And now in dramatic style, see what I've been working on. Voila! Yeah, I'm making clocks. This clock will be finished tomorrow and soon will be available for you to purchase. We'll call that the end of this video and we'll go into the mystic times. Wait, it's the next morning. I have more. This one's come from Amazon apparently. So I thought I might as well, even though I've already rendered this video, I might as well stick this in the same one. What on earth is this? Coloured glitter tubes. Why has someone sent me glitter? I don't know why someone sent me glitter, but thanks. And actually, as stupid as this might sound, I was considering testing some idea of using glitter in resin casts. Different type of casts than what I've done already. So, as much as you may have done this as a joke, because it's 3+, which is definitely too dangerous for me, I could actually use those, so thanks. Wait. There's more. Another day, yes. I've actually rendered this video like 3 or 4 times now. Going back to the glitter, I had a sudden thought. What I could do is when I spray paint something, if I'm going for a design look, I could sprinkle a little bit of that on, and it would add a flake effect to it, and then I clear coat it, and it looked pretty cool. And I could even combine that with the water droplet effect I do. It's going to be very interesting. The problem is the water droplet effect requires it not to be really cold. So I can get my hands on a hot plate that can go quite low. Amazon, I have no idea. I know it's not samples. A gift note from Jordan Beale. Something to wake you up in the morning, something a little different for resin casts. Please eat at least 2 in one go on camera if possible. Merry Christmas in advance. I appreciate to you and everyone you know and all your fans. Items 1 of 3. So we had the... hang on, so... something to wake you up in the morning. So this is copper wire for making stuff, I assume? I don't know. And I've got the glitter. Right, what's in here then? Maybe it's unconnected to the glitter completely and then it all makes sense. But when someone says eat, I get concerned. Okay, I'm a little bit confused about what is what, but this says mega sour. I can eat lemons, like fruit. I deal very well with sour, but when it comes to super sour sweets, I nearly want to throw up. In for a penny, in for a pound. I tell you what, I absolutely detest toxic candy, because it's that sort of sour stuff. If this is the same, you said 2. This is the same, this is going to be horrible. Oh! Okay. Oh, Jesus! You get waves of sourness, but actually it's not bad. It's not good. It's not something you want to eat. Now the coating's gone, it's just the inside of them. They're really nice. That backfired a bit, didn't it? Let's go for a standard YouTube open mouth thing. That should guarantee about an extra 5,000 views. As I say, these are a lie. It's the outside that's sour. Everything else is not sour at all. It's quite nice. Yeah. Finally, the video's over. It ended on a tasty note. Bye-bye. Thank you, Jordan. If you enjoyed this video and the other content on the channel, please consider following the links in the description to show your support.